What 6 DEX tokens have seen exponential growth in 2021? DeFi's prominence has grown steadily over the past year due to strong foundations provided by decentralized exchanges, DEX, which allow easy access to the most recent tokens and projects. Although there were previous versions of DEX user interfaces such as Ethereum DEX, trading in the DeFi network took off only after Uniswap launched. This enabled the launch of finance tokens. These are the 6 most successful tokens in decentralized finance. USDT DEX token. Uniswap began as a simple interface that allowed token swaps between 2 or 20 tokens. It has evolved to a dynamic DeFi centerpiece with an average daily trading volume $1 billion and $3.95 trillion in liquidity. Initially, the Uniswap platform did not have a native token. Fees collected went into a liquidity reserves. However, the project launched SushiSwap, which had a similar interface to Uniswap but included the Sushi governance token. After its release, UNA quickly soared to $7 and was listed on many top exchanges. However, UNA fell to $1.93 on November 4th. The price of UNA continued to rise to a new record high of $32.50 on February 20th. The excitement over Uniswap v3's release and the possibility for token holders to stake their UNIS and receive a portion of the fees continued to drive demand and increase the token price. Sushi USDT DEX tokens. SushiSwap's origin story is controversial. It started as a clone of Uniswap and was later sold on the open market. The lead developer then donated all funds to project development. However, SushiSwap has become a leading DEX in terms both of community involvement as well as token price. Sushi holders benefited early from governance and staking, as well increased incentives for liquidity providers early on. Some call this a vampire attack on Uniswap. Sushi's price rose from $1.16 on August 29 to $8.84 September 1, but Chef Nomi, the lead developer, caused Sushi's to plummet to $0.475 November 4. Sushi's price has risen by more than 4,080% since then to $19.77 on February 20, 2017. Sushis is now the 6th-ranked DeFi platform, TVL, in terms of total value. The protocol currently has liquidity of $3.56 billion. Cake United States dollar. PancakeSwap's Cake has experienced a substantial rise in its price during the first 2 months 2021 as it emerged as a competitive DEX as well as the first billion-dollar project of the Binance Smart Chain. Skyrocketing fees for Ethereum, ETH, have allowed the BSC to take liquidity and users from its top Ethereum competitors. Cake has stepped in to facilitate this process. This protocol has a growing number of staking options, yield farming opportunities and collectible sections. It also features a lottery section. Cake traded below 70 cents before January 2021. Its all-time lowest price was $0.194 on November 3, 2020. The token's price action began to rise around the end of January as traders from Wall Street started causing havoc on traditional markets. Cake's low point of $0.194 has seen it rise 11,000% to $20.33 on February 19 as the Binance Smart Chain became the leading competitor to Ethereum. This is due to the large resources of the Binance ecosystem. SRM USDT. SRM, a decentralized derivatives trading platform, operates on the Solana blockchain network. The DEX was created by the collaboration between the Solana team and the operators from the FTX crypto derivatives trading exchange. Solana was selected to host the DEX because it can react 710,000 transactions per second (TPS) with a current capacity of 50,000 TPS. The Ethereum network offers 15 TPS, high fees due to network congestion, and Solana could see more traders using the SRM DEX. SRM allows token holders to stake their tokens in order to receive a yield and to lower trading fees by up to half. Cross-chain support allows for trustless asset exchanges on multiple blockchains via a network of over 100 validators. After launching in the summer of 2020, SRM prices fell to 78 cents on November 4 before finding support and moving higher. Since then, it has increased by more than 9,444% to $8.13 on February 25 as other options start to gain popularity. LINA USDT. Linear Finance, LINA, a new addition to the DeFi scene, recently launched on Binance Smart Chain. It was originally released as an ERC20 token. The protocol also allows users to secure tokens, to create Lina's synthetic assets tokens known as liquids, and allows them to trade traditional assets such as Forex and commodities using dynamic price feeds. Lina's cross-chain approach to users allows them to enjoy lower fees. The built-in Oracle solution helps reduce the issue of Oracle backrunning in protocols that use Ethereum. Future plans for LINA include the introduction of governance capabilities and the possibility of allowing the community to vote on the direction of the project's future. This will determine the cost of transaction fees as well as how much money to allocate to the insurance fund. After its September 2020 release, LINA's price fell to $0.0047 on November 19, before rising 3,300% to $0.112 on February 12, following migration to Binance Smart Chain. There were also several partnerships and announcements about exchange listing. Waves Exchange and a growing number of DeFi apps. Waves, a multi-purpose blockchain, is capable of supporting many dApps as well as smart contracts, including decentralized exchanges. Waves Exchange is an integral part of the Waves ecosystem. It was originally launched in 2017 as the Waves DEX. The Waves Exchange offered quick, secure and low-cost trading for major cryptocurrency assets and tokens created on the Waves protocol. The Waves Exchange has an average daily trading volume of $10 million per 24 hours. However, recent price increases in Waves and an expanding suite DeFi apps such as Swap.fi could result in an increase of activity for Waves ecosystem. As fees on Ethereum look to be high until ETH2 is released, they will likely remain elevated. Think your friends would be interested? Share this story. Note to readers, please click the share buttons below. Forward this article to your email lists. Cross-post on your blog site, internet forums, etc.